Alright, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about how we can create an user-defined function in Excel. If you look here, we have a set of data that has names in it. Now, the names given here are written in an improper format. I want the names to appear in such a way that before each capital letter, I want a space to appear. Now, if there was already a space here, I do not want to add an extra space. Now, let's see whether do we have any formula to do that. Now, let's see the functions. I press is equal to and let's type sum. See, these are some of the functions which we have inbuilt in the Excel. Now, I can't use any of these functions to perform the function that I want. Now, in Excel, we do not have a function to separate these words based on the capital letters. So, what can we do? Let us create a function by ourselves. Click Alt F11 or go to Developer tab and click on Visual Basics. Here you have the Visual Basic editor window. Let us go here and right click and go to Insert and insert a module. Here we'll write a function. Let us start by writing function. Function. Now here we have to give a name to our function. Remember the sum function we had. So in sum function we'll write is equal to sum bracket open. Here we have to give a name that we would like the user to use in the Excel sheet. I will write here split name, that as my function name, and in bracket I'll put as s as string, close the bracket, and as string. The entire function is a string formula. Click enter. The function code we'll write here. Now let us start writing the code. With create object in bracket vb script dot reg exp inverted comma clause and close the parenthesis. Click enter and put a dot and write global is equal to true. Click enter, put a dot, pattern is equal to inside inverted commas write square bracket lowercase a to z square bracket close and uppercase a to z. See, you can close the brackets and close the inverted commas. Now click enter, type split name is equal to dot replace inside brackets s comma inside inverted commas $1 space $2. You can close the inverted comma and the bracket here. Now click enter and let us close the width. So end width and click enter. Here is the function code which we can use. We can run it, but there is nothing to run because it's a function. If it was a subroutine, we could have run it. Now, how will we use this? Let's see. We'll go back to our Excel sheet here and we'll write is equal to. Now, remember our function name? It was split name. Let us type in split name. See, it is suggesting us split name. Let us select split name and inside bracket it is not showing any suggestion because it is a user defined function. We created the function. So inside split name, let us put a2 as the reference. Close the bracket and click enter. See, we got the value here with separated spaces before each of the capital letters. Let us drag and autofill the formulas here. See, the formula has been autofilled. So we just created a new function which was not there in Excel already. Now, the drawback of this is that we can only use this function in this workbook. We'll talk about much more user-defined functions and how to create another complex user-defined functions in the coming videos.